Hey guys, this is Jessie. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today's recipe is very traditional Bangladeshi Teler pitha or Pakan Pita, or you can say it's Pua Pitha, Malpua, whatever you like. Let's begin. I am taking 2 cups of all-purpose flour. You can take Maida, 1 cup Semolina, and only 1 cup of sugar. Just 3 main ingredients, that's it. Mix them well. Now I am adding water. There is no measurement for it. I'll make as cake batter. It will be thick like cake batter, as you can see. As you can see that I am mixing water with it. As you can see, my batter is not ready yet. I am mixing and adding water. At least 10 minutes we will have to stir it. As much as we will stir, it will become more fluffy. Just because of I am not adding any kind of yeast or anything, so we will have to. Now I am adding black seeds. If you don't like the flavor of black seeds, you can skip it. Half tablespoon of salt. It's almost done, so I'll keep it for 15 minutes. Then after 15 minutes we will see what happened. After 15 minutes, as you can see, my batter become more thick, so I am adding a little bit more water with it. I will stir this batter for 5 minutes. After 4-5 minutes, this batter will become perfectly okay for cooking. Now, as you can see, batter become thicker. Let's go what we are doing. In a pan, I took oil and the oil is ready for frying. As you can see, I am giving this a batter like 1 spoon. Look, after 1-2 minutes it will become brown. I'm not frying in a too high heat, it's just medium low heat. Look how fluffy it's become. It's just become like a ball. We can fry 1 or 2 more with it because my frying pan is quite bigger. As you can see, all the pithas are becoming like a ball. It's so fluffy. I'm showing you a couple of times because practice makes man perfect. In first time it will not become good, but after trying 1 or 2 times more, it will become perfect. My pitas are also not in good shape, but when I second time try in another pan, you can see that it become round shaped. This pita is really very delicious, and upside is crunchy but inside is so soft and yummy. Look, it's so mind-blowing. Shape doesn't matter for food, only taste does matter. So I hope you guys will try it at home, and obviously share your comments with me. And if you have any question regarding this recipe, don't hesitate to ask me. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Your subscription is really meant to us. Thanks again for watching this recipe. And now I am showing you as I am serving. I will break one pita and will show how it's becoming. It's looking fabulous. Look, it's just like cake, and the upside is so crunchy. Try at home and share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching again. Have a great day. Bye.